Indian Army soldiers posted in Northern District bordering with China get new weapons and equipment amid ongoing tensions between China and India. First, Extended Cold Weather Clothing System, ECWCS, for high-altitude deployment. Second, SIG Sauer 716I battle rifles chambered in 7.62 into 39 mm NATO. Third, Polaris Ranger 4x4 all-terrain vehicle with sitting capacity of 4 crew members and goods carrier. Fourth, Polaris Sportsman 6x6 all-terrain vehicle with sitting capacity of 2 crew members and goods carrier.
Like, subscribe, share and check out the playlist for more content.